Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at the NieR Replicant version 1.22474487139 with the Yonah's Diary bonus item from the Square Enix store. So I know there's a little contention right now in the NieR fandom with what's better between the original soundtrack and the remastered. I personally am in the why not both camp, and I think both are fantastic. So we will just take a look first at the actual soundtrack. So here is the case it comes in with the label on the side there. And we have this little cardboard sleeve that you see a lot in the Japanese soundtracks. And the back, we'll get a better look at this after I get the wrap off, and there's nothing really going on too much at the sides, except it kind of looks like a PlayStation 1 game. Okay, let's pop this open. I find a lot of the CDs you order from Japan will come with this plastic sleeve thing here, and it just is basically a quick label of the game and the barcode there, so I'm just going to set that aside. So now we can get a nicer look at the artwork on the front. Sides without that thing is the same as on the other side, and then a better look at the back. Okay, pop her open, and we have a beautiful artwork of our protagonist here in an insert. So again, there is the CD, and then here we have the insert, which just has the track listings, disc 1, 2, 3, and there's our composer and our god, Yoko Taro. And then we have the director and producer as well. So we have interviews with them in Japanese and English, and then we have the credits at the end. Pretty standard, and here is the artwork once the CD is gone, and here we just see the back of the other CD. So let's flip over to the other side, where we will find discs 2 and 3 with our traveling buddies, yay! So here we have disc 2 with our girl Kaine, and disc 3 with our boy Emil. And then we have the artwork here, actually looks like it continues. So if we kind of pop the whole thing open like this, we can see a really beautiful shot of our protagonist exploring the world of NieR. And that's pretty much everything here, so let me just pop the CDs back in and then we'll take a look at the diary. Okay, so now we'll take a peek at Yonah's diary, which I believe is going to be, when you're playing the game, the loading screens will show you pages from her diary, and I'm assuming that that's just going to be a collection of those. Yes, this thing is full of spoilers, so try not to look at it until you've cleared the game, alright? You heard it from my brother, so it must be true, from Yonah. So yes, I'm pretty sure this is exactly what this is, so we won't be looking too much at this for spoiler purposes, but basically, as you're playing the game, this is the loading screen. The loading screen will show you various entries from Yonah in her diary, and this is just a collection of all of them. Oh, what were those scary black ones at the end? I don't know. You will have to play the game to find out. But so this is just a nice physical version of all those loading screens, so that you can, I guess, find them all in one place instead of having to load the game a million times. Okay, so I found here an example of a pretty good one that's not too spoilery. So the reason why we have the boxes here is because you can actually enter the name of the protagonist. He kind of defaults to NieR, but he technically doesn't have a name. So here we have Yonah, March 20th. I feel great today. No cough, no fever. Watch it, world, because Yonah's coming out to play. April 11th. NieR and Vicey are always together. He says even though they argue a lot, they're actually good friends. I wish I could travel with NieR sometimes. So that's kind of an example of what you will get. And then the black pages we flipped very briefly at the end are major spoilers, so I will not be looking at those. And that is it. That is the video. That's everything that comes with the soundtrack. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to leave a comment if you'd like. I also have a video unboxing the White Snow Collector's Edition version of the NieR Replicant game, so feel free to check that out as well. Thanks for watching.